All right, we're here at the Fort Lauderdale Home Show. Hey, listen, it's air conditioning, it's exercise, you're not on a screen. Why not? So we're gonna check out some of the booths and activations and maybe something. All right, good job, bud. You found Colorado. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap for the home show. Hey, great way to spend 2 hours. What can I say? Lots of activations, lots of fun. Indoor, AC, what else? I'm Boca Ben. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. It really helps support my channel. See you guys.